Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will do the poem in the ICC Nine Gold Medals. Nine Gold Medals is a poem written by the American rock vocalist David Roth. It is a beautiful song that inspires human compassion and cooperation. The poem is based on a story about nine differently abled athletes who have, they have come together to participate in the Special Olympics. And in the race, when one runner falls down, and how all the others stops, returns back to help him and help him to stand on his feet, and when they walked together hand in hand to finish the race, each of the athlete was awarded a gold medal in recognition of their outstanding show of empathy and compassion. So let's start the poem. Nine gold medals. Now the first stanza, the athlete had come from so many countries to run for the gold and the silver and bronze, many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. So athletes have come from the different countries from all over the world to take part in the Special Olympics. They were to compete for the gold, for the silver, for the bronze. They have gone through very strenuous training, vigorous training throughout their many years they have devoted in order to get those medals, and they have high hopes and dreams of winning the medals. All round the field, spectators were gathered, cheering all the young women and men. Then the final event of the day was approaching, the last race about to begin. So there was a huge audience. All were present in the ground to cheer the participants of the different events, and slowly the events were proceeding. They were cheering and enjoying throughout the day, and finally the final event of the day came, and people were eagerly waiting for the event to begin. The loudspeakers called out the names of the runners, the 100-meter, the race to be run, and nine young athletes stood there determined and poised for the sound of the gun. So finally it was a 100-meter race, and the names of the runners were announced. There were 9 participants, all determined to win the competition and lined up behind the starting point. They were ready to start, waiting for the shot of the gun. The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners on hearing the sound. But the youngest among them stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground. So finally the gun was shot, and the runners started, and they started the event. But the youngest among them, the youngest competitor, he fell down. And when he started and he fell down, suddenly he uttered a cry. He cried, and everyone stood still. He gave a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his effort clashed in the dirt. But as sure as I'm standing here telling the story, now it is a strange one, but here's what had occurred. So the narrator says, or the poet says, that obviously the child or the youngest athlete, he cried in anguish, he cried in pain, he cried because all his dreams were shattered. But now what the poet is going to say is another altogether very surprising event that took place that day. The 8 other athletes stopped in their tracks, the one who had trained for so long to compete. One by one, they turned round and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. So all other 8 athletes who had been working so hard in order to compete for this Olympics, even they stopped. They came back, lifted the youngest athlete until he stood up on his feet. Then all the 9 runners joined hands and continued. The 100-meter reduced to a walk, and of the banner above they said Special Olympics could not have been near the mark. And finally now the race was not it was not run, but rather it was walked, because all 9 were holding hand and walking towards their destination. Then all the 9 athletes joined hands and walked to the finishing line all together. The 100-meter race has reduced merely to a walk now, but still it was special. Why? Because it greatly displayed human compassion, cooperation, and sportsman spirit. This is how the race ended, with the 9 gold medals. Then came to the finish line holding hands still. Thus the race came to an end, but all 9 together holding their hands. And the banner above and 9 smiling faces said more than these words ever will. Said more than these words ever will. So the 9 sportsmen finally came there with smiling faces under the banner that declared it as Special Olympics, with smiling faces, and their smiling faces gave the world a special message. What was the special message? A special message of empathy, compassion, and sportsman spirit.